Hey Danny, this is Samantha from Feed Me Leads. We spoke on the phone and I told you that I would send you over the screencast. And so here it is. I'm going to keep it really short and sweet. I just want to go through your site really quickly. I want to go through one of your competitors' sites. Then I'm actually going to give you 3 ways that you can use today for free to start bringing in some more traffic to your site. And so I send these screencasts out with all of this free info, but often when business owners see what I do, how I do it, and how much work is put into it, they decide that they want to team up. So if you watch this through and you feel the same, please do not hesitate to reach out to me. So without further ado, let's get into it. And so right away, I can see that your site is not secure. So this should be an easy fix. We just need to get you an SSL certificate. You can usually just go to whoever is hosting your site and they should be able to give you one for free. If not, you can purchase one through GoDaddy. And so this should be the first order of business because a lot of people won't even be able to access your site if it is not secure. And so now looking at your home page, first off, I will say that I really like your logo. And going through it here, I can see that you guys have some content and it looks like good content. However, it doesn't look like you have quite enough content. Google is going to be ranking your website based off of around 200 different factors. One of those key factors is going to be content. They are going to send out their bots and they are going to read through your content and determine whether or not it will help Google's users find the information or the services that they're looking for. And in addition to having the appropriate amount of content, we also want to make sure that content has the appropriate amount of high volume buyer intent keywords so that we can get you ranked for all of the right things. And so over here, I've hopped over to Google. The keyword I will be using for today's video is concrete staining Dallas. This is a really great keyword. It brings in around 150 searches per month. So if you were to convert just a few of those into customers, you would be doing really well for just one keyword. And so beneath the search bar at the top is where we may typically see some Google ads. There are no Google ads popping up at the moment, but Google ads are a really good way to build brand recognition, get your name out there, particularly while you are waiting for your SEO to warm up. However, if they are done incorrectly, you can definitely waste quite a bit of money on them. But if they're done right, they are a great way to get things moving quickly. And so right beneath the Google ads, now here at the top, we have our Google Map Pack. The Google Map Pack is a great spot to be in, especially if you can make it into one of these top 3 spots. And in order to do that, you need to have a lot of citations. And so a citation is just when your business is listed on an online directory. So think Yelp, Yellow Pages, or Yext. Those are all really good examples of online directories that people trust and use a lot. And so you want to be on more of those directories than these 3 businesses are right here. And so now I have scrolled down and I've made it to the organic search results. This should definitely be your main area of focus. Google has actually come out and said that over 70% of people, when they type something into the search bar, they are going to click on an organic search result. So it's definitely going to be your best long-term return on investment. And so here is the first company page that pops up for this keyword. And so I did a word counter search on them as well. They actually only have 809 words on this page and only 542 words on their home page. So you're already beating them out with the amount of content that you have, but we want to make sure that your content has the right keywords in there so we can get you ranked. So in addition to having good content, in order to rank organically, you need to have a lot of high-powered backlinks. And so a backlink is basically just a shout out from another website. You want to get these shout outs or backlinks from high-powered and relevant sites. So for example, if a local construction company were to give you a backlink from their website, that would be a really good way to bring some more power to yours. And so over here, I've hopped onto Ahrefs. Ahrefs is a really great tool. If you guys ever try and bring this in-house, I highly recommend using it. It is a little pricey. It does cost me around $350 a month to use, but it gives me a lot of great information. So I typed in the competitor that we were just looking at, and I can see that they have around 2,250 backlinks from 287 different domains, and are ranking organically for over 2,000 keywords. So we can actually take a look and see which keywords those are. And so we typically want to go for keywords that are location specific and bring in a lot of volume. So right here, it will list all the different keywords, how many people search for that keyword every month, what position they hold for that keyword on Google, and how much traffic they get from it. And so we can go through and see which ones apply to what you do, bring in the most volume, and we can incorporate those into your content. And so now I want to go back and I want to do the exact same thing that I just did with their keywords, with their backlinks. And so right now it is saying that they have around 2,250 backlinks, but we don't want to just beat them out with the quantity of backlinks. We want to beat them out with the quality as well. And so here it'll list the different backlinks, and we want to look for the ones that have a high DR domain rating. We can go through and see which ones we can snag for your site. We can look through other competitors' backlinks and find some on our own. And so here it's saying they have around 1,941 backlinks. That is quite a few backlinks, but it is definitely beatable. However, do keep in mind that this is just one competitor for one keyword for one of the services that you provide, and we want to beat out all of your competition. And so really quickly before I wrap this up, I actually typed in your website into Ahrefs as well. Right now it's telling me that you guys have 16 backlinks from 10 different domains and are ranking organically for 261 keywords. So we definitely want to add in some more backlinks, but let's just take a quick look and see which keywords you're ranking for. And so the keywords that you are going for are actually pretty good. They do seem like they have buyer's intent, and a lot of them are location specific. However, you're not ranking as highly as you could be for those. And so if we applied the things that we talked about, I think that we could definitely get you rise in the ranks. And to recap what those are is actually number one, we want to make sure that your site is secure. Number two, we want to make sure that you have good quality educational content with the right keywords. Number three, we want to get you some more citations to get you ranked on the map pack. And then number four, we want more high-powered relevant backlinks. And so that's what I have for you for today. Hopefully you enjoyed watching this and got something out of it. If you are interested in learning more, you can email me back or you can give me a call. My number is 714-975-5909. So thank you for watching, and I look forward to speaking with you.